Another female missing, family in Old Harbour St. Catherine concern. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 34-year-old Shanique Plummer of Paradise Nursing Home in Old Harbour St. Catherine has been missing since Tuesday, August 29. She is of dark complexion, medium built and about 172 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Old Harbour Police are that Plummer was last seen at the facility the time she went missing, and her mode of dress at the time is unknown. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shanique Plummer is being asked to contact the Old Harbour Police at 876-983-2255, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.